Constituency, the Menhyia South Constituency, also the Minister of Energy, Dr. Tutu, aka Dachahene, aka Napa. We will leave you here, Professor Kwesi and Penem. We need you here. Prof. I make welcome the former Chief Justice of the Republic, His Lordship, Kwesi and India Boa. The true son of Asafteman, the true son of Ghana, here to grace occasion for us. You are graciously welcome to the Grand Eba of Kutunkuni today at the Menhyia Palace. As I welcome the President of the Ghana Bar Association, Lawyer Yao Buafo,
and also a member of the Ghana Academy of Arts and Sciences. I'm going to be helping my brother Kwame Adika and Osei to interpret the procession for you. The procession started with the Samanka. His Majesty is canopied under about 5 to 7 umbrellas. And the umbrellas are rolling according to the rhythm of phantom frame. Phantom frame. And Otumfour phantom frame represents everything that is heroic in Asante. It displays the heroism. And Otumfour is here with us. The procession started with the Samantha. And then to clear the way, to clear the path spiritually. Otumfour's procession begins with the advanced group. There's the advanced group, the goes to group, and then the Asantehinis group. It is the Asantehinis in Pesha. Asantehini in Pesha and Ekono.